Have you ever stumbled upon something so unique, so otherworldly, that it feels plucked straight from the pages of a fantasy novel? Prepare to be amazed, because today we're diving deep into the enchanting world of one of nature's most captivating amphibians. We're about to uncover the secrets of a creature that defies expectations and sparks the imagination. Get ready to meet an animal that's not only incredibly rare but also possesses the remarkable ability to regenerate its own limbs. Imagine a creature so incredible it seems like it swam straight out of a fairy tale. This isn't some mythical beast from ancient folklore. It's a living, breathing marvel of evolution, a true testament to the wonders that our planet holds. These fascinating amphibians are unlike anything you've ever seen. One of the most striking features of the axolotl is its magnificent gills. It has feathery gills that sway in the water like a delicate, ethereal crown. These external gills, a vibrant display of nature's artistry, are not just beautiful. They're essential for the axolotl's survival, allowing it to breathe in its aquatic environment. And then there's that endearing expression. Its smile is wide and welcoming, giving it an almost perpetually cheerful demeanor. It's a face that seems to say, "Welcome to my world, a world of wonder and endless possibilities." This magical creature is real. It's not a figment of our imagination or a character from a children's book. It exists right here on Earth, though its natural habitat is incredibly limited. So let me introduce you to the axolotl, a captivating amphibian also known as the Mexican walking fish, though it's actually a salamander. These amazing creatures spend their entire lives in the water, never undergoing metamorphosis to live on land. The axolotl is a creature that will capture your heart and inspire your imagination. Its unique appearance, combined with its incredible regenerative abilities, makes it a true marvel of the natural world. Join us as we delve deeper into the fascinating life of the axolotl, exploring its habitat, its behavior, and the challenges it faces in a rapidly changing world. The axolotl, a creature of captivating mystery, holds a unique place in the animal kingdom. Often referred to as a walking fish, though it's far more fascinating than that simple moniker suggests, the axolotl is a type of aquatic salamander with a story to tell. Its very existence challenges our understanding of metamorphosis and adaptation. It is indeed a salamander, but unlike its terrestrial cousins, the axolotl retains its larval features throughout its adult life, a phenomenon known as neoteny. This means it keeps its gills and lives entirely underwater, never venturing onto land. This unique adaptation sets it apart from most other salamander species, but unlike salamanders that live on land, undergoing a transformation to adapt to a terrestrial environment, developing stronger limbs and lungs, the axolotl remains in its aquatic form. While other salamanders might hop around in forests or hide under rocks, the axolotl gracefully navigates the underwater world. The axolotl stays in the water its whole life. It's a permanent resident of the underwater realm, perfectly adapted to its aquatic environment. From birth to old age, the axolotl thrives beneath the surface, a testament to its evolutionary path. It has smooth, velvety skin that can be a delicate covering that protects its body and allows it to thrive in its watery home. This skin is not only smooth to the touch, but also permeable, playing a vital role in respiration and osmoregulation. Black, brown, showcasing a range of darker hues that help them blend into the shadows of their natural habitat. These colors provide camouflage, protecting them from predators and aiding in their hunting endeavors, or even a beautiful pink. This vibrant coloration is often seen in leucistic axolotls, which lack pigment in certain areas, resulting in a striking and eye-catching appearance. The pink hue is due to the blood vessels visible through their translucent skin. Its most striking feature is its feathery gills, delicate structures that protrude from the sides of its head, adding to its otherworldly charm. These gills are not just for show, they are essential for the axolotl's survival, which stick out from the back of its head like a crown. These external gills, also known as gill filaments, are highly vascularized, meaning they are rich in blood vessels, allowing for efficient oxygen exchange. These gills help it breathe underwater, extracting oxygen from the water and releasing carbon dioxide. The axolotl can also absorb oxygen through its skin and the lining of its mouth, but the gills are its primary respiratory organs. Axolotls are native to Mexico, a land of vibrant culture and diverse ecosystems. This unique amphibian is found nowhere else in the world in the wild, making it a true endemic species. They live in the cool, freshwater lakes and canals near Mexico City, specifically in the Xochimilco lake system. These canals are remnants of a vast lake system that once covered much of the Valley of Mexico. Sadly, their habitat is shrinking due to a combination of factors that threaten the axolotl's very existence. The delicate balance of their aquatic ecosystem is being disrupted, pushing them closer to the brink of extinction. Pollution, which contaminates the water with harmful chemicals and toxins, making it difficult for the axolotls to survive. Agricultural runoff, industrial waste, and untreated sewage all contribute to the degradation of their habitat, and the draining of waterways as water is diverted for agriculture, industry, and human consumption. This reduces the amount of available habitat for the axolotls, further fragmenting their populations and making them more vulnerable. The future of the axolotl hangs in the balance, a stark reminder of the impact of human activities on the natural world. What makes the axolotl truly extraordinary is its ability to regrow lost body parts. If an axolotl loses a limb, tail, or even part of its heart, it can grow it back. This amazing ability makes the axolotl a marvel of the natural world. Scientists are studying the axolotl closely to understand how this regeneration works. Axolotls are full of surprises. Did you know they can also regrow parts of their brain and spinal cord? It's true, these incredible creatures have captured the imaginations of people around the world. In Mexican mythology, the axolotl is linked to Xochitl, the god of fire and lightning. Sadly, the magical axolotl is facing a very real threat: extinction. Pollution, habitat loss, and the introduction of invasive species have caused axolotl numbers to plummet in the wild. This is a tragedy. We are at risk of losing this amazing creature forever. The good news is that despite the challenges, there is still real hope for the axolotl's future. By learning more about these unique creatures and actively supporting vital conservation efforts, we can all play a significant part in their long-term survival. We can also support organizations that are fully dedicated to protecting and restoring the axolotl's precious natural habitat. The axolotl, with its perpetually smiling face and feathery gills, holds a unique place in the animal kingdom. Its story is not just one of survival, but a powerful reminder of the delicate balance within our ecosystems and the urgent need for conservation. This incredible amphibian, native to the ancient lake system of Xochimilco in Mexico, faces numerous threats that jeopardize its very existence. That our natural world is precious. Every species, from the smallest microorganism to the largest whale, plays a vital role in maintaining the health and stability of our planet. The intricate web of life connects us all, and the loss of even a single thread can have far-reaching consequences. We must recognize the inherent value of biodiversity and strive to protect the habitats that support it. And fragile. The axolotl's plight is a stark illustration of the impact of human activities on the environment. Pollution, habitat destruction, and the introduction of invasive species have all contributed to its decline. The murky waters of Xochimilco, once a thriving ecosystem, are now struggling to sustain the axolotl population. It is up to us, as stewards of this planet, to take responsibility for our actions and work towards a more sustainable future. We have the power to reverse the damage and create a world where both humans and wildlife can thrive. Conservation efforts, research, and education are crucial tools in this endeavor to protect the incredible creatures that share our world. These animals, often overlooked, possess unique adaptations and play essential roles in their respective ecosystems. By safeguarding their habitats and addressing the threats they face, we can ensure their survival for generations to come that share our planet. The axolotl, with its remarkable regenerative abilities, holds secrets that could unlock new possibilities in medicine and biotechnology. Its genetic makeup is a treasure trove of information that could benefit humanity in countless ways. By protecting the axolotl, we are not only preserving a species, but also safeguarding a potential source of scientific breakthroughs. Let the axolotl's story inspire you. to become an advocate for conservation. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. From reducing your carbon footprint to supporting conservation organizations, there are countless ways to contribute to the protection of our planet. To learn more about the natural world and the challenges it faces, educate yourself about the threats to biodiversity and the importance of conservation. Share your knowledge with others and inspire them to take action, and to take action to protect it. Support organizations dedicated to axolotl conservation and habitat restoration. Participate in citizen science projects and contribute to research efforts. Advocate for policies that protect endangered species and their habitats. Together we can make a difference. By working together, we can create a brighter future for the axolotl and all the other species that share our planet. Our collective efforts can have a profound impact on the health and well-being of our ecosystems. We can ensure that the magic of the axolotl endures. Its resilience and unique characteristics serve as a symbol of hope for the future of conservation. Let us embrace our responsibility to protect this extraordinary creature and its fragile habitat. It continues to amaze and inspire us with its beauty and resilience. The wonder in a child's eyes as they observe an axolotl is a testament to the power of nature to captivate and inspire. Let us nurture this sense of wonder and pass it on to future generations to come. By protecting the axolotl, we are investing in a future where both humans and wildlife can thrive. Let us work together to create a world where the magic of nature continues to inspire and amaze for generations to come.